To import the Fifth Third Bank mobile app, start by going to your device's App Store. If you have an iPhone, open the App Store, and if you have an Android device, open Google Play. In the search bar, type Fifth Third Bank and select the app from the search results. Click the Get or Install button to begin the download process. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. This should only take a few seconds. Once the app is installed, open it and click on the Get Started or Enroll Now button. You will be prompted to enter your Fifth Third Bank username and password. If you do not have a username and password, you can create one by clicking on the Enroll Now button and following the prompts. After entering your username and password, you will be asked to create a 4-digit passcode and set up fingerprint or face recognition if your device supports it. This will provide an extra layer of security to your account. Next, you will be given the option to turn on notifications and allow the app to access your location. These features will enable you to receive alerts and find nearby ATMs and branches. Now that you have imported the Fifth Third Bank mobile app, you can use it to check your account balances, pay bills, transfer money, and deposit checks. You can also use the app to find ATMs and branches, and to contact customer service. To get the most out of the app, make sure to regularly update it to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. It is also a good idea to use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to protect your account. By following these steps, you can easily import the Fifth Third Bank mobile app and start managing your finances on the go. The app is a convenient and secure way to access your accounts and perform a variety of banking tasks, and it is available to all Fifth Third Bank customers.